how to do this effect using your product images. Looks cool, right? So let me show you how you can do this effect in SEEDANCE 2.0 using any of your product image. Sounds interesting? Then let's dive in. So here on this Notion page, I have created a step-by-step guide, which I'm going to give you for free of cost. And you will be able to get all these prompts and step-by-step process. So let's start with the first step, and that is using a sample product image. So I just found this product image online and I really got curious about the ingredients. So it got a lot of things as an ingredient, so it was a perfect choice to do this kind of effect. So in order to generate our images, right now I'm using a platform called KineAI.com. So link is in the description below. And here I'm going to use this as my base image. So I just found this image online. I just uploaded on my canvas. And this is an open canvas where you can generate all the images and videos. So after uploading this as my reference image, I generated this image where this hand is holding this product, and then again generated this image where we have this splash effect of all the ingredients popping out of the box or from the pack. And then we use both of these images as Omni reference in SEEDANCE 2.0 to generate video clips like this. And of course, we generated multiple videos and combined both of them in video editing. So let me show you everything step by step now. So we begin with our reference image first. So let me just go ahead and drop it here so that I can show you from the very beginning. And now in order to generate my image, I just need to click on this icon here for image. Let's drop it. And I'm going to use Nano Banana 2, or you can use Pro or Standard 1. But of course, you should use Nano Banana 2. And my image size will be 9:16. In case you want to make it for YouTube or any other resolution, you can choose it from here. But I'm going to use it 9:16, particularly for Instagram. And then I'm going to use this as my reference image. So for this one, I need to select this icon here and point to this image, and now I have my reference image added here. And now I simply need to add my prompt. So I just go back to my Notion document here, and I'm just going to copy this prompt from here and then paste it here and then click on generate. So it's going to generate an image where the product or this pack will be visible like a hand is holding it. So let's see how it turns out. Alright, so here we have our image, pretty cool. So we can take a closer look. Everything looks similar to our base image. And now once the image is generated, we now need to use the same reference image and generate another image. So let's click on the image icon again, drop it here. And this time I'm going to use the second prompt, which is here. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. So here we have entered our prompt. Now make sure before you hit generate, make sure you update the ingredients in the prompt itself. So if you take a closer look, we have entered the ingredients right here. So it says mango half cut slice or mango cubes. So make sure you go ahead and read the prompt once and update it as per your ingredients. So now once we have entered the prompt, let's go ahead and click on generate. And let's see what output we get. Alright, so here we have our image looking pretty cool. And now we need to combine both of these images as an Omni reference in SEEDANCE 2 and generate our video. So for that, we need a video block here. So we click on video, then drop it here. And from the models, we are going to use SEEDANCE. And for this one, we are going to use SEEDANCE 2.0 and Omni reference. And the duration, I'm going to set it to around 9 to 10 seconds so that the animation will have enough time to execute everything that I have written in the prompt. And if we scroll down here in the document, we have this long detailed prompt that you can go ahead and copy. Now, if you take a closer look, we have two things that we need to take care of. First is the timestamp. So this is an 8-second sequence as per the prompt, but we are going to select at least 9 seconds so that SEEDANCE in the backend will have enough time to generate all the scenes that we have mentioned in the prompt. So let's go ahead and copy the prompt from here. And let's paste it here. And now it's time to add our reference images. So again, we are going to click on this image icon. We are going to pick from canvas. This is the first image, and this will be our second image. And now if we take a look at the prompt again, if we scroll down, first we need to update the ingredients. So go ahead and read the prompt once and see the ingredients here. So as you can see, it says kulfi and rose petal, which is not part of this product. So make sure you remove this. And instead of rose petal, we are going to choose mango slice, mango cubes. Alright, so once that is done, we are going to again go through the prompt once. And here you can see we have written at image 1. So with this, we can actually refer to the image that we have added in the reference. So if I type in at, I can just type in image 1 to refer image 1 in our list. And then I can just go ahead and proceed with my prompt and just read it once and update the ingredients wherever it shows up. Again, here it says rose petal and kulfi because this is for some different product. And again, if I scroll down here, I can see the reference of image 2. So this is the entire prompt that we are going to use. And once we are ready, we just need to hit on generate, and it's going to generate our video, which will look something like this. And of course, we have used multiple videos so that we can have different angles and different generations and then combine all of them in video editing. So this is how you can use SEEDANCE 2.0 to create these amazing product effects for your social media posts. And once again, all the prompts and details and step-by-step guide is available on this Notion page, which I'm going to link in the video description below. And of course, there are various platforms where you can access SEEDANCE 2.0. I have mentioned list of the major one in the document itself, so go ahead and check that out. So if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. For more such AI tutorials, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss the next video that I'm going to upload very soon. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.